Hello, dear friends. Welcome to a new update on the construction process of the Lost Island Mini Golf Park in Santa Ponsa, Mallorca. In this video, you can see the testing of the river waterfalls and the installation of the artificial turf for this fantastic themed mini golf park designed by David. New plants have been planted in the new planters, and river testing is underway, checking the cascades that run in steps from the river's source to the large pool beneath the monumental skull. The large monumental skull, personally carved into the rock by David, will welcome guests and serve as the perfect advertising icon for this park. The final look of this park will be an environment that will transport guests to a tropical jungle setting where they can experience an authentic adventure. Happy to have shown you this new course of the Lost Island theme park mini golf. We hope to see you on a new adventure. Thank you.